Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to make Staghorn Sumac Tea. Now, this tea is native to the Far East and primarily India. In India, it's even known as Indian lemonade because of its sweet and tart taste that it has. Now, in order to find this tea, you're probably going to have to go to a health food store or an international import store or even an Indian store to find it. But once you locate it, you're ready to get started making it. First, you're going to take your tea kettle and you're going to fill it up with cold water. Take the tea kettle and place it on your stove, turning the stove on high, giving time for the water to heat up and come to a complete boil. After it comes to a complete boil, you can then remove it from the heat and use it to serve your tea. Remember, having the water to the boiling point is essential in order for the heat from the water to extract the herbs benefits into the liquid. So once we have that, we're going to take our tea bag and we're going to open it up, place it in our cup here, and then we're going to add the boiling water to the tea bag, pouring right over the tea bag, making sure it submerses underneath the water. We're going to want to leave some room at the top because remember, this is boiling water, so we're not going to want to burn ourselves while we're pouring it in there. You can give the tea bag a few bobs just to help blend the water in with the tea bag, and then we're going to let it sit there for about 2 to 4 minutes, which is also called steeping. Once the tea bag has sat in the hot water for about 2 to 4 minutes, it's now ready to drink it. So we're going to remove the tea bag using a spoon or your hand, and you're going to place some pressure against the tea bag, getting rid of some of the excess water that's left in the bag. Once that's done, you can then, traditionally, this tea is served with adding maple syrup to it. Now, if you don't have maple syrup, you obviously can just use sugar or honey, but I recommend using the maple syrup to get that very authentic taste for this tea. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make Staghorn Sumac Tea. Enjoy.